Hey our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Stitch, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the nose. His face is going to be pointing up to the right. So we're going to start further to the side. We're going to curve this around and down on the top. Let's curve this down underneath. We're going to extend this further down on the bottom, pulling that through on the side. Let's draw on the nostrils. On the left, rounding that out, curving that down. And then on the right, we'll make this one slightly smaller, curving that across. Let's color those nostrils in black now. Let's come up. We're going to draw in a curved line above that, moving up, making the second one slightly smaller. Let's frame in the face now. So stepping across from that, on the left, we're going to curve this down, rounding that out, tucking that in. And then now continuing to come underneath, we're just going to curve this around, tucking this over and up on the side. Now from here, we're going to extend this out, tucking that in and back down, ending that at the same height. Let's draw on the tuft of hair here on the left. So we're going to curve this up, pulling that back down. We'll extend this over to the right, tucking that back in. And then one more time, just curving that out and through. From there now, we're just going to close this off on the top, rounding that out. Let's draw in the left eye. So stepping out, we're going to curve this over, around, tucking that back into that point. And then we'll draw in a sideways oval on the top. Let's color in this eye on the left black. Now let's move around this on the bottom here, curving this around and out. And then stepping below, curving this around and through towards the side of the face. Let's come across for the right eye. This is going to be slightly smaller. So we're going to round this out, curving this down, extending this further below, tucking that back in. Let's add in a nice big oval on the top for our highlight. And then now we'll just color in our pupil black again. Let's frame around the eye, curving this over and out, and then moving below, coming underneath, replicating that. For the mouth in the center, straight line coming down. We're going to arch this line out, tucking this down, taking that up in the corner. And then on the right, we're just going to continue to extend this down towards the right. We're going to follow the shape here on the outside, so we're just going to tuck this line in. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this all the way around, tucking that back up towards that corner. Let's draw on a corner bracket on the side. Now from the center here, we're going to come out, drawing in a triangle on the left. We'll do the same thing on the right. We'll make our tooth wider on the left here, making this one bigger. And then on the right, we'll make this one bigger too, just making it slightly thinner. Let's draw in two small triangles as we come across for those teeth. And then we'll do the same thing on the left. Let's step down now in the center for that tooth, bringing this out and in, replicating that on the right. We'll step over, making this one bigger on the left. Same thing on the right, tucking that down. Now let's come up. We're going to curve this out. And then making this smaller again as we move through. Let's close off the tongue behind, curving this all the way over and down to the right. Now underneath, we're going to curve a line on the left and right hand side to close off that pattern there. Let's focus on our left ear. So stepping across, we're going to curve this line out, tucking this in, back around and down. Let's draw in a sideways letter V. Now from that point, we're just going to round this out, tucking that back in. From the top, we're going to curve this down, and then we'll round this out on the top. Let's draw on that right ear. So from the corner here, we're going to curve this up, ending this at roughly the same height on a diagonal. And then we're going to round that out, curving that in. Let's draw on another sideways letter V. And then from that point, just tucking this down. From that corner, curving that in. And then on the top, we'll just round that out. Let's come in for that hind leg first. We'll draw on the back. So we're going to curve this down, out, and through to the bottom. We're going to draw in a little pattern here. So we're going to curve this out, in, back out, making this one smaller, tucking that back down. We're going to leave a small gap now. We're going to line this up at the same height coming across, rounding out the knee, curving that down. Let's draw on the foot here. So on the left, we're going to curve this around and down. From that point, curving this over and in. Stepping across again, replicating that. And then coming down, curving that over and through. Let's close this off underneath with an arch line. Now right in the center, let's draw in a circle. Moving up, curving this out as we come all the way across on each toe. And then now let's tuck this back up, lining that up at the same distance, leaving a gap. Let's close off the tail, rounding that out, curving that in, stepping up, curving that up. Let's move across for the arm. We're going to tuck this down. From that point, we're going to curve this even further down again. Now for the hand, we're going to curve this out and in, stepping up, replicating that in the center. One more time, and then we're just going to join that together. Let's draw on the claws. So we're going to curve this out and in on each one as we come down. Now let's move up. In the middle here, curving that through, adding the little tuft of hair, curving this down and back up. One more time, curving this out, tucking that into the chin. Let's draw on the left arm. We're going to curve this down. Again, we're going to tuck this back through to the bottom. Let's come up. Running this out, stepping across, replicating that. And one last time, connecting that together. Let's move down, drawing in the claws again. Now for that back foot, we're going to curve this up and in. Again, tugging this around and down. We'll do that 2 more times as we come across. And then we're just going to curve that out. Now from here, we're going to draw in 4 curved lines as we come over. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.